I woke up to a text message from Johnny, our solar installer, offering us the opportunity to drive Tater this morning to a shop in town and put everything on today.
We're getting solar, we're getting solar.
Night 2 in Johnny's yard. We are out of propane, so we can't cook. And we smashed our microwave. I'm John, and this is Danny. And this is our home, Tater Bug. We've been living on the RV for about a year now and have recently acquired some very precious cargo. Meet Abraham. So subscribe and follow along to watch it all go down as we move around from town to town. All right, coming in.
We're in the parking lot here at True Arc in Salisbury. We are getting our generator fixed here, hopefully, and then we have to go to Selbyville in Delaware to get our engine tune-up later. And in between that, we're gonna get Abe's teeth tuned up because he has his first dentist appointment today. How's that ride, honey? Smooth as butter?
How'd it look?
Pretty good.
Think they're here?
I don't know, it looks empty.
I had a good feeling about that Cummins Onan generator sign right there. That's the exact generator we're gonna get fixed.
Yeah.
It's not reading it?
Could be, could be.
Our generator mechanic came back with awesome news. There's really not much wrong with our generator in the first place. One of the transfer switch's wires was crossed over wrong. Now we're on our way to Laurel, Delaware to get some P&M done.
So now we're here at Sussex Diesel. We're getting our engine tune up, so hopefully everything goes well with this one too.
He cleaned the connections and things like that, and we changed the oil filter, the oil, both fuel filters. All your fluids are fine, they pass, no problems. He cleaned and adjusted the brakes, greased your chassis, and he's not found anything else.
So, and no big surprises other than...
Nope, nope, it's in pretty good shape.
Oh, that's a big pumpkin.
Some of these pumpkins are bigger than you guys.
I would have thought you were a bigger pumpkin.
Just where he was needed, claimed him black as night, closeted injustice, death in the eye of time. Nobody's losing, faces merchant change.
Who do you think you are? Khloe Kardashian?
We'll always remember how it felt.
circles.
We definitely just went in a circle.
2 dead ends so far in the corn maze.
I was about to take us around right where we were coming from.
Number 4, wrong turns here.
Oh, because we've already been this side.
This is another wrong turn.
Another wrong turn. One maze that takes an hour. There's one that takes.
The way is this way. Go back and tell everybody you're the messenger. Tell them to follow this way.
is this way! The way is this way! The way is this way!
Polo!
The way is this way! The way is this way? Yes!
Hey, is it me or are these new jokes?
Nobody's losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we find this over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
I have blisters from how long it took us to get out of the maze.
I woke up to a text message from Johnny, our solar installer, offering us the opportunity to drive Tater this morning to a shop in town and put everything on today. So that's exactly what we're doing. We got everything packed up. It's about 8:30 and we're about to hit the road. Abe, you're nuts today, dude. All right. All 6.
And 75 cents is your change.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Hey! Look who it is.
Hi!
It's Gaga. Rise Up Coffee is one of our favorite spots in town to go to get breakfast, specifically the burritos. But I'm with the acai bowl just for you guys to show you the variety of what they're throwing down. You.
What'd you get me?
I got you a spiced chai with 2 extra shots of espresso.
Naughty.
I got an extra, it is naughty,
Has he
extra
been
large nitro for myself.
He's not eating.
He's on a new thing.
I made him how many different plates today, babe?
Yep, different,
This morning
whole
I
different
had 3 different options
platter.
for breakfast because he turned down all 3.
Yep.
We're at Johnny's shop here, guys. We're about to put the solar panels on top of the roof. And then he's going to help us come make all the connections from the roof down, I believe, to our bedroom into the battery bank.
So you built your battery bank, you mounted your hardware, now you're ready to start working with your solar panels. once you bring them onto the roof and have them laid out according to how they're gonna be hooked up, you wanna start heightening the space to put your feet so you can walk easily and safely up and down your roof still. You don't wanna be jumping over panels. The roof doesn't like that type of pressure. Also, another thing to consider is things that move on your roof. So I've got a little bathroom vent here that I need to take care of if I want it to be laid out this way. I don't know if this is the way we're gonna be laying it out exactly. We're gonna wait till Johnny gets here. So the next step is, once you have an idea of where you wanna lay them out before you start drilling them in, all your connections are on the bottom of the panel. So we're gonna flip the panels upside down again, and we're gonna cut off those zip ties and bring the cords out. So these are MC4 connectors. They came with the solar panels, and what they are is they ensure a safe, waterproof connection for things like this outside. Just finished up a long day on the roof setting up our panels. We're gonna pick up where we left off tomorrow and hopefully finish up then. For now, we're here. This is Johnny's yard. These other RVs are people who pay to let him keep them there, or some of his employees. Abraham is in his element, to say the least. That's where we're gonna have to leave things off this week. As of this episode's making, we're only a day out from our big trip west, and our time right now is better spent preparing for the road. Join us every Monday here on YouTube to learn what lessons RV life has in store for us next by subscribing and dinging the bell for future notifications. Stay wild.